Hey, the reason there's a part 2 to this is because the first part of this video, I wanted to make it all one video, but my tablet cut off and it shut my video off, so I had to do it in 2 parts. But where I was, I'm getting ready to start the my scooter after, the other day I put a 100cc big bore in, and the issues I'm having now is an oil leak. I didn't have the hole in this head like the other one did. This is a non-EGR, so I just sealed that off. I don't know if that's okay or not, but I sealed this tube off and left it there. I don't know if that'll create any issues or what, but everything else is just the same as it was on the 50cc. But since the day I've had it, like I was saying, there's been a rattling or a vibration when I get to a certain speed, and I can't tell where it's coming from the drive chain or the gears inside the engine back here. It's done it. It started out little by little. When I first got it, the very first day I noticed it, and it just progressively got worse and worse and worse. And that was one reason why I just wanted to put new everything on. But the only thing new I haven't put is a new clutch. Maybe it's the clutch, I don't know. But anyway, I want y'all to hear the engine now. I rode it around without the plastic shroud just to look for an oil leak the other day, and I think I might have overheated it and did something wrong. But I just really want y'all to see what's going on now. I gotta start this. I don't want to cut my video off because it's I can't explain it, but if my tablet shuts, it'll shut our video off and I'll have to make a part 3. But anyway, I want to start it up so y'all can hear and see. Oh! Hold on. Did it cut us off? No, we're good. I'm telling you. But anyway, I'm going to start it up. And here we go. Like I said, I got to do that with jumper cables. It'll do it just fine as long as I'm above 14-volt battery. That one's 12.72. And this is my old carburetor. I do have a new carburetor. And I got it idle at high. It won't idle low like it did with the 50cc. Like I was saying, I'm getting oil leak here. I'm getting oil leak through the filter back here. I don't know what I've done or, wrong or how I'm going to fix this. But like I say, I sealed this off because it didn't have a hole in the head like the other one. I just sealed this pipe off. I don't know what to do there. I just don't know. But anyway, hang in there a minute. Let me get the seat on so we can go for a ride so y'all can... hopefully I can let y'all hear that vibration I've been talking about. This will just take a second. And you can hear the engine like burping. We're trying to be quick, because I know y'all don't want to be sitting there watching a video all day. But I desperately need help figuring this out, because I've never been a mechanic before in life. But I really enjoyed putting that big bore on. That was fun. It was fun building it, like I say, if anybody can help me, money's no issue. I'll be able to get any parts I need or whatever. But let's go for a ride real quick and see if we can figure out. Hopefully, sometimes it won't vibrate. 9 times out of 10 it will. Just depends. But if I could just figure out what it is, if it's the variators, the clutch, or the gears in the engine. But I'm driving with one hand. It's kind of hard hard to do. It ain't done the vibration yet, but it will. Usually it'll go run in it, like it feels like tires going over those rivets on the side of the road on a highway to let you know that you're going off the road is what it feels like. It feels like that. Of course, it's not the tires. There's something in the engine. It's either the variator, clutch. I know it's not the wheel, or the gears in the engine. You know, it's just not doing it now. But it will. It'll just start going ning, 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 ning. Not the engine. That's the gears. It's so hard to explain. I can't get it. I can't get it across. I can't explain it. I mean, I don't know how good y'all can hear it through the camera anyway, but hear that? So you know, I just don't know. I don't think y'all would have been able